Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super quick and easy hair tutorial on these mermaid waves using the GHD Platinum hair straightener. It's super simple once you get the hang of the wrist motion, so if you're interested to see how I created this hair look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to want to do today is take down your hair and split it into sections. So I like to start with a nice small section on the lower half of my head, and then I split that section into two parts, so a left side and a right side. But since I want you guys to see what I'm doing, I'm going to just take out one piece from the rest of my hair and throw everything else to the back. Next, I'm going to turn on my GHD Platinum Plus hair straightener, and I'm going to be spraying in this Sebastian hair oil to make sure that my hair is heat protected. And now we'll go ahead and get started with the styling. So you guys are going to see I'm just going to be rotating my wrist back and forth every few centimeters and just flipping the direction that I am curling my hair against the straightener. And because this straightener has rounded edges, it's going to create this really pretty wave look to the hair without having any harsh lines of the hair, if you guys know what I mean. So the key here is to start with your hand in an overhand grip as you clamp the hair, not with your palm facing up to the ceiling, because then you're going to have a hard time rotating against the hair on the way down. So that's what I learned from trial and error. Always start with your palm facing down as you clamp the hair, and then you're going to rotate and then rotate the opposite direction. So you guys will kind of get the hang of that wrist motion, but you're basically curling towards you and then away from you and then towards you and away from you. And the way to create difference in waves in each little section that you pick is to change the amount of time you pull the hair down before you change to the opposite direction, so you have varying sizes and styles of the wave. So right here you guys can see where my intentional waves are and then just the natural waves in my hair. It's definitely a very huge difference. So again, nice and close, clamping the hair at the root, twisting away, twisting towards, twisting away, twisting towards, all the way to the bottom of the strand. So that is it for today's hair tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.